Do you know 87% of the students who are struggling to get a job? Hi guys, myself Mohammad Zain. I'm the HR of Strido Technologies. It's because lack of skill set. Without a proper skill set, it's like building a house without a solid foundation. Many of the students who are willing to learn new skill set, but they don't know how to start and where to start. That's why we are here to assist, and we are personally believe that teamwork makes dream work. We are offering internship in various domains like data science, full stack development, and embedded. And we have various tutors along with us who have worked in various MNCs. Take this opportunity to expand your knowledge and take the first step towards your successful career by joining our internship program now. I will mention our details in the description below. You guys can check it out. Thank you so much.